Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Rapper Future spent millions on luxury property in Miami. Dates inside. Future spent millions to get a breathtaking mansion in the heart of Miami. The Life is Good hitmaker, who recently earned $250,000 for rapping on Megan Thee Stallion's track Pressurelicious, purchased the large-scale home for a whopping $16.3 million, which is comprised of 7 bedrooms and a backyard that offers space for a mini tropical getaway. Real estate sources explain that the luxurious mansion sits on Ellison Island, which is located just north of popular Miami Beach, reported TMZ. The massive 8,897 square foot space sits on a private gated area on the Miami Island and appears to be 2 stories high with 7 bedrooms and 8.5 bathrooms. Thanks for listening and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.